Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be playing, not playing. Today I'm going to show you how, not really show you. Today I'm gonna show you guys how I build this toolbox. So I can only build with a toolbox. And yeah, guys. So yeah, guys. Also, if you guys are wondering how I made the teams over here, like when you are in the red team. You'll spawn at the red team location, spawn point. And yeah, as you see guys, I'm right now trying to zoom out, but it's not working. So yeah guys, I hope you guys basically enjoy it. And yeah. Alright, so first off, so guys, okay, so let me show you how you can do it. So first when you need to click on view, right, tap model, and click on surface, and then it will show you team, and then click on that and click insert. So then if you wanna, then it will add your team, but you will not be on team. You need to like add team. So now what you actually need to do is you need to click here and the right mouse button on the team section, insert object, click on team, and then name the team and make it the color, and then make the spawn points the same name and the same color. That will actually have access to that. Alright, so now let's go on toolbox and see. What's the missing guys? This is glitched. Let me start this. Alright guys, so it doesn't fix it, so that's good. Alright, so now let's see what we can actually do, guys. So now let's try adding a gun, you know? Get AK-47. Like this one. Oh yeah, I wanna add an. No, let's see how this is going. Let's hope it will be good for yeah, not really game. Okay. Oh, okay. So nice. So we really start off. Okay, nice. We start off with two amazing guns. Okay, let's start with this damage. Let's add a dummy. Wait here, wait, where is it? Wait, I don't wanna, no, stop. Wait, let me just, yeah, let's not do that. Big fail. I think that is gonna do enough damage. Let's just try that again. So how we should add now, like, is like a zombie, because why not? This one. Now let's hope. So it does take damage. And now I need to test it out on the sound. We're gonna delete this. Another African zombie is one. Nice, it works. So now let's see what we can else add. We can add a sky, you know, make the game a little bit more cooler. Now let's add some music. Relax music, you know. Let's see it. Yeah, wait. That's good, that's good. I think everybody wants that to hear that, right? Wait, so here we're not. It will glitch out. Might have to do like this. So hope now it works. No. But we kind of made a mistake. Let's just do that. That again. Now let's click play and test it out. Did this glitch stop? That's not gonna work. Let's see what else we can hide down. What the heck? Let's just click on play and see the music. No music is really loud. Oh, the music is off. Let's look at that. Let's just type cool music, I guess. Let's see. Let's hope now that this music is kind of cool. Yes. Okay, guys, this is really oh, it's also really loud, guys. So let's just fix that. Oh, this is a virus. Heck no, I'm not doing that. Volume to 5. Alright, I don't know if guys, I think I should like add a lobby, but I'm just gonna say like, okay, I'm just gonna add like, I'm gonna type here. Let's see. Oh wow. So it's kind of cool. Let's just delete this. Let's say it as alright, now let's put it on right. I don't know what to do here. I'm just gonna click on play and see what this really is. Alright, so I think now I understand basically how to do this. So let's just delete this. And that. Let's just all this. Let's delete this. Okay, let's just call this like wait guys. Alright guys, let's just call this plus button. Let me just face in my. Alright guys, sorry for the cut. But that was an actually big accident. But now let's act like a sword. Let's act like a knife. You know what I mean? A good knife. Not a bad. A good one. Now let's hope my arm will not go off. Yeah guys, do not blame my skin. Cause I just love tones. I think yeah, we just need to fix this. So like when people click on it, I'm not show them that message. Yes, right here. Check. Ammo. Let's make the ammo like 30. Sword ammo. Okay, guys, I am also so sorry for that. Another. I'm also sorry for that. Another so I basically did not really mess around. I just messed around with the ammo. You guys already saw that, or maybe not. Yeah, we have right now. We're business go camp and spray. No, you're not really looking at a camp. Hey guys, I'm sorry for the cut. I'm really sorry. I did not really mess around with a lot of stuff. I just messed around with the ammo. I shoot, but basically we have a lot of ammo. Yes, I did it for the game. They need to have a lot of ammo. Cause yeah, they really need to have a lot of ammo. Now I should see when the people can easily aim. Reload stuff. And yeah, let's see what we can outdo. Let's see what we can outdo. Are we going to let's add some admin commands? Because why not? Because you know we're the owners and some admin commands. Admin. And I was supposed to do part 2 of this game. So yeah, hope you enjoy the part 2 too. Also. Alright guys, so now when we add a death, we should have the ammo command, so we'll just start. So we do not have admin commands, but it's okay. Alright guys, now we need to make sure that alright, so let's see. Alright guys, so this is the end for the video. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and if you want part 2 of this video, let's try reaching 5 likes. Yeah, 5 likes, and then I'll do part 2 of this video. So yeah, guys, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and peace.
Hold up.